Ari na guys, mag-umpisa na gid sila guys. Sino ayan ang madaog? Siyempre si Carlo.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with